Next question is from Tremendous. He says, when doing introductory calls for potential clients, do you have a set list of questions to go over? Do you show them any videos, pictures, content while on the call? So this is something that I go over in the blueprint. I'm going to show you exactly where that is. Go to my YouTube, which you're already there. All right. And you're going to go to playlist. All right. Go ahead to playlist. And then you're going to go to the blueprint, this right here. So that checklist is going to be, oh, here it is. I think it's going to be this one right here. Share. This video right here breaks it down for you. All right. So yes, there's a checklist. First time that you talk with a client, with the client, with the lead, everything that you need to talk about in an introductory call is in that video. On the podcast link, you can submit your question there. If you don't want to ask it here in the chat, you can also use the link, go to the website, submit your question. And if you do submit a question, you do get a free ebook as well. So just keep that in mind. You get a freebie for that. Also too, you can sign up for a newsletter so that way you can get notified whenever I drop new episodes. The audio versions is available only on the website. The YouTube versions, the video versions is available on the website. But if you want to see the YouTube, like the video versions of it, you want to become a channel member on my YouTube. As you can see here, you see how the YouTube is blocked out here. It's grayed out. You can listen to it, but you can't watch it. But all these other ones, you can click on here through the website and watch them on YouTube through that way. So